Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a realistic Christmas Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas Godzilla, I'm going to begin right here with the eye. So I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back here in a check mark. Next we're going to bring this line over and then up. Then I'm going to bring this line back and I'm going to curve a couple lines down for some detail. Next I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and I'm going to bring it right to about here. Now for the front of the face, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out and then we're going to bring it down. Then I'll add a small little curved line for the nose. Next, we'll bring this line down, and I'll bring this line over, and then I'll come down to here. Then we'll curve this line down, and we'll come down at an angle for the mouth. I'm going to bring this line down, up, and we'll curve it over here, just for the jaw. Starting here, I'll make a little line that comes down. Now for the teeth, let's go ahead and make some sharp pointed lines across the top and some sharp ones right across the bottom as well. Now I'm going to make a couple little curved lines right here for the neck. Then I'll make a line that's going to come down and up, and one more down and up here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and in for the chest. And then I want to work on the arms. Now to make the arms, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring it down here. Then I'm going to bring this line out here to a point and then back up. Make another one come down to a point up. And then one more right here, and we're going to bring it up. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and we'll just kind of follow that same shape up here. Now I'll draw another one here. I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to come out, and I'm going to put a little claw here. Make a claw here, one here, and then one more here, and we'll curve it up. Now I'm going to bring this line up into here, and a little line down. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve down. Now I'm going to make the legs. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down and then over here. Make a couple little curved lines, and then we'll make a line that's going to come out and down. We'll make one more here, and then one more right here, and we'll come straight across. Next, we're going to bring this line up and in, and then curve it right up to here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down here for the other leg. Make a couple little curved lines. Then I'll make a little line that's going to come down and over, and then one more here for a claw. Bring a line up and then over to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring it up here for the tail. Then I'm just going to curve this line around and bring it down to here. Now before I go ahead and finish off his back, I want to add a few details up here. So one of the things I want to do is give him a little hat. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a little kind of bumpy line that's going to come across, and then we're going to come down and up to here. Next, I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it down, and then bring it up here for a hat. Then we'll add a little circle shape at the end. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that comes over here. Then I'm going to bring this line all the way down to here for the back. And then I'm just going to bring a line right down here. Now, starting up here, let's add some of his spikes. So I'm just going to make a couple little kind of pointed, jagged spikes right along the back here. So we're just going to kind of fill up the back area here with some of these different little spikes. And we're just going to make these come all the way to here. And then I'm going to put a few more right down the tail too. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a few more spikes all across the middle part right here, just to add a little bit more detail. Now, I want to come in here and add a few different little details. So let's start with the eyes. I'm going to add a couple little lines right underneath the eyes. And then I'm going to make a couple little broken lines that come right across here. I'm going to bring a couple little lines down here. And just add a few more little lines right across here. Next, we're going to add just a couple little broken lines right around the arms here, and even along the legs, just to show some wrinkles. We'll add little curves on all of these claws. I always like to add an extra little line or two just to show some extra detail. Make a couple little broken lines kind of right by the arms. And then I'm just going to make some little lines coming right across here for the stomach of Godzilla. And we'll make some coming right across the bottom of the tail too. And I'll bring these all the way up here as well. A couple just kind of broken lines coming across here. And then we'll just make a few more little kind of curved lines on here where the knees are going to be. And we'll bring a few little lines right across here for some details on the leg, and maybe a few on the arms too. I'm also going to put some little broken lines coming right down the back and kind of go in some other little directions just to add some detail on here. I'm going to add a couple more little details on this arm over here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Christmas Godzilla. Now when I color this, I'm going to stick with most of the same Godzilla colors, but then I'm going to come in here on the stripes and add some different kind of Christmas theme and stuff on here. And then I'm also going to add his nice little atomic blast over here. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.